Hi, I'm Patrick from DocPro. We are the exclusive distributors of CanDoc modular floating systems for Sub-Saharan Africa and associated island groups. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating how to install a CanDoc ladder. The CanDoc folding ladder is an ideal accessory for your CanDoc jetty. It can be incorporated into new or existing CanDoc systems. Your CanDoc ladder should arrive boxed, each with a set of steps. 2 handrails, each with 2 spacers and 1 white nut. Modified connecting pins with threaded rod and a bag of hardware. To install your CanDoc ladder, you're going to need the following supply tools: a key 4 nut, as well as the key 4 pin. Additionally, for the metric guys, you're going to need a 15 spanner and a 15 socket and ratchet. The Imperial, you're going to require a 9/16 socket and ratchet. The folding section ensures that when not in use, the steps are clear of the water, ensuring there will be no slime or marine growth buildup on them. This not only keeps your ladder looking good, but is also a major safety factor. The first step would be to decide where you would like to install the ladder on your dock. Then replace both connecting pins, one at a time, with the modified threaded rod pins provided in the box. Remove the white nut and spacers. Place the ladder inside the lug tabs. Take a close look at what tab number is listed on the lug. Tabs number 3 and 4 fit perfectly. This may not always be the case depending on which side you install the ladder. You will then need to add the spacers provided to balance the ladder. We're going to secure the handrails onto the connecting pins with the threaded rod using a brass nut and washer. Use a 9/16 socket or 15 spanner for this. Use the rubber caps provided to go over the brass lock nuts. Next, you will connect the 2 handrails with a set of steps. Use the bolt, flat washer and lock nut provided. Use the wrench with the ratchet to check if it still moves freely. If you over tighten, it will restrict movement and the plastic will compress. Next, you will use the black rope with a Phillips screw to attach the steps to the ladder. So whenever you're not using it, you can fold it up out of the water. Use one end of the rope and make a little loop, as small as you can, so that you can put the screw in but not let the head go through. Tighten this as much as you can. Using a Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and tighten it in place. Then feed the rope through the hole and create a knot on the other side that is big enough to stop the end from pulling through. To secure the ladder in place, wrap the rope around the step and tie a half hitch onto one of the loops, with another half hitch and a loop pulled through and tight in place. I will now demonstrate how to untie and unfold the ladder using the two knobs locking mechanism that will prevent the ladder from moving up again. Once you are done using the ladder, just pull them up at the same time and use the rope to secure for storage.